this video, you'll learn how to get started with Hugeicons in a Svelte project for free. We'll walk through the setup step by step. Before we begin, let's quickly check the prerequisites. Make sure Node.js is installed on your system. You can use npm, yarn, or pnpm as your package manager. You'll also need an existing Svelte project and a basic familiarity with Svelte components. I already have a Svelte app set up with Vite. Now let's install the required packages. First, install the Hugeicons Svelte package using this command: npm install Hugeicons/Svelte. This package gives icons renderer component, which helps to render raw SVG icons from Hugeicons packages. Next, install the free icon package using this command: npm install Hugeicons/core free icons. This package gives you access to thousands of free icons in the stroke rounded style. Once the packages are installed, you're ready to use an icon. First, we need to import the Hugeicons icon wrapper from Hugeicons/Svelte. Next, we need to pass an icon to the icon prop of the Hugeicons icon component. For example, we will import the notification icon, and the icon will come from the Hugeicons/core free icons package. And now you can see the notification icon is rendered on the screen. The Hugeicons icon component also allows you to control the icon's size, color, stroke width, and supports any SVG props. You can customize the size, color, and stroke width by providing these props. That's it! You're now ready to use Hugeicons free in your Svelte application. When you're ready to go further, you can explore additional component props, view more Svelte examples, and check out other Hugeicons integrations.